Hello and welcome once again to my cooking channel. Yeah, it's a foodie. Today I am going to be making air fried tilapia. Let's get started.
Night, I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Wait a minute. Don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute. I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love, wait a minute. Don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute. I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I
I'm setting the fish aside and moving on to the next stage. Here I am going to cut up some onions, ginger, garlic and pepper that I am going to blend into a paste to season our fish.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Wait a minute. Don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute. I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading.
After blending, I am going to pour in this mixture to the fish and then add my all-purpose seasoning. In fact, Badia is one of my favorite all-purpose seasoning that I use to season most of my dishes. Next, add your adobo all-purpose seasoning to the fish.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight.
Some salt to taste, and also some Maggi. Now this Maggi is so hard, that is why I had to grind it before adding it to the fish.
Get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep.
Now we're going to be air frying this fish, so I'm adding some oil, just a little, just to help with the frying process. As you can also see, I'm wearing a glove. That is because there is pepper in my mixture and I don't want to get any burns after I'm done mixing this.
Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because
Our fish is ready and I am going to be having it with some banku, pepper and sauteed bell peppers and onion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, and also share to your friends and family. Until my next video, stay blessed and bye for now.
don't you leave before I get to